So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to buy Bonk on your Coinbase wallet. So first, you need to access your Coinbase wallet application by simply opening it, and after that, you will see a bunch of options right here, but just click the buy button on the leftmost of your screen and make sure that your network is on the Solana network. So just simply use the search bar. If you can't find the Solana, just search for it. And after that, you need to change your buy, which is you will switch it into Bonk. For you to able to do that, just simply click on that section and just simply search for Bonk and select it for you to able to buy it. After that, you need to tender an amount of how much Bonk you are going to buy. So for example, like this, you will receive for about 7,915,069 Bonk, and you can pay it with different methods by just simply clicking the pay with section. There are a bunch of options that you can go with. Like here is the list of all the providers that you can use, which is the credit card, debit, or even the P2P bank transfer. After that, you need to click the continue to payment button for you to able to transfer or proceed to your purchase. And that's how you buy Bonk on your Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.